Hey, everyone. Welcome back and welcome you, my friend. Emma, how's your day going?
Hey, Alex. Well, I woke up late again because my alarm hates me. But I grabbed a big cup of coffee and now I'm alive. What about you?
I'm good. But listen, funny thing, I try to eat healthy today, so I had a salad and now I'm hungry again.
See? That's why we don't trust salads. Anyway, today's lesson is super useful. We're talking about simple present tense.
Yes, the tense you use every day, all the time, even without noticing. And in this video, we'll explain it through a real conversation, lots of examples, jokes, and quick word explanations. So stay with us.
And hey, before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's one thing you do every single day? All right, ready? Let's go.
All right, so the simple present is the tense we use for routines, things that happen regularly. For example, I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I teach English.
Exactly. And here's a key word, routine. Routine means something you do regularly, like every day or every week.
So, Emma, what's something you do every day?
Well, I check my phone. I scroll on Instagram. I drink water. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah, same. See, everyone? These are all simple present sentences. I check. I scroll. I drink. No am, no ing. Super clean. Super simple.
And don't forget, with he, she, it, we add s. Like, he checks his phone, she drinks water, it rains a lot.
Tell us about your daily routine in the comments.
Another big use of simple present is facts, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees.
Exactly. And the word boil means to heat water until it becomes steam. So when I say water boils at 100 degrees, I'm talking about a scientific fact.
And here's another. Cats hate taking baths. That's a universal truth, except maybe your cat.
No. My cat hates everyone. Baths are nothing.
So remember, facts equal simple present.
Why don't you tell us a fact about yourself in the comments?
Now, let's talk about habits, especially with adverbs of frequency. These words show how often something happens.
Right. Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Rarely. Never. For example, I always drink coffee. I sometimes exercise. I never lie. Okay, maybe I lie when someone asks if I'm hungry.
Exactly. And listen, frequency just means how many times something happens. Simple.
Emma, how often do you cook?
Rarely. But I always order food.
See? All simple present. Easy.
Let's do a mini vocabulary break. When we say habit, we mean something you do again and again. Like, I bite my nails. I read before bed.
Or when we say describe, that means to give details about something. So if I describe my morning, I say, I wake up, I stretch, I drink coffee, I complain about life.
The cool thing? Simple present is perfect for descriptions. For example, in my job, I answer emails. I help customers. I work with a team.
Yep. No need for complicated grammar, just verb base form. Add s for he, she, it.
Let's talk jobs. We use simple present to say what someone usually does at work. For example, she teaches math. He drives a taxi. He designs websites.
Key word here, design. It means to plan or create something, like a logo, a website, a poster.
Another important word, customer. That means someone who buys goods or services.
So if you work in a store, you say, I help customers. I answer questions. I sell products.
Perfect simple present.
All right, negative form. We say, I don't, you don't, they don't. And for he, she, it, we say, he doesn't, she doesn't.
For example, I don't eat breakfast. She doesn't play tennis. They don't watch TV.
And questions? Easy. Do you? Does she?
For example, do you like coffee? Do they work here? Does he study English every day?
Let's do some fast, real-life examples. At school, I study math. The teacher explains the rules. My friend talks a lot.
At home, I clean the kitchen. My brother plays games. My mom cooks dinner.
In relationships, he calls me every night. She texts me in the morning.
See? Simple present is literally everywhere.
Let's quickly explain some useful words. Schedule means a plan of times and activities. Example, I follow a schedule. Task, a small job you need to do. Example, I finish my tasks. Responsibility, something you are expected to do. Example, he has many responsibilities.
And notice, explanations are also in simple present because we're talking about things that are always true.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. That was a fun ride. We talked about routines, habits, jobs, facts, frequency adverbs, all in simple present.
Remember, use simple present for daily routines, facts, habits, job descriptions, schedules, and things that happen again and again.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what do you do every day?
Hit like, smash subscribe, share this video with a friend who's learning English, and hey, keep practicing, keep smiling, keep growing.
See you in the next one. Bye!